Good evening, it's Brian here at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I want to show you a car with two prices in it. Brian's my name. If there's any information you want on this particular car, please do give me a call, 086 843 1945. This is a straightforward, frugal, reliable motoring video. This car is a 2016 Toyota Yaris. And this is going to be all very straight to the point. As I was saying, there is two prices in the window. Why is there two prices in the window? 12,950 euros. If you come to a trade-in, that is exactly the price we're looking at. 10,950 euros is because we have a scrappage deal. Basically, push something in here or come in and just throw your logbook at us and we'll go pick up your car or whatever needs to be done if it's close by. You can drive this one away here. That's 2,000 euros guaranteed minimum trade-in on any car you have of this particular car here. Which essentially means that is a vehicle that you can then take out a finance agreement on for 49.99, which is basically 50 quid a week. You can actually come in, push something in here and drive away in something that can basically drive to Moscow and back, and it's a really reliable vehicle. And you will be doing that for 50 big ones per week. That's right, 50 euros per week. You are coming in and driving away for 50 quid a week. Have you got 50 quid a week? Do you want a way to get around that's reliable and straightforward? That car there. We actually own the car since brand new, so that's also what I like about this car. So we know the whole history, no accidents, no body repairs, and we've maintained the car. And the reason that it's on our fleet is because we are Toyota service agents, so we always carry Toyotas on the fleet as courtesy cars. So this one would have served its time with us for 3 years on the fleet, and it's covered about 38,000 kilometers, so it's low mileage, one owner, low mileage. That's pretty much it. This is a Yaris Terra. Yaris Terra, not an exactly highly spec'd vehicle. However, I think if you are somebody that wants really straightforward motoring, for example, I think somebody that has a Yaris already from maybe 02 or 03, and they're saying to themselves, do you know what? This one's getting a bit bent and it's getting all a bit corroded, and the NCT man is looking at my chassis going, he can poke holes in it. Then here's a way to upgrade. Minimum scrappage and then 50 quid a week. Continuing on, condition on the car is quite nice throughout. So door panels, doors. To be fair, most of the time that this car went out on courtesy with customers, it was one person in the car. So the rear of the car has had very, very little use. All those seats and steering, and I'm not trying to give you a big sales pitch on this from the point of view of condition, but the car actually is in quite nice condition throughout. So to summarise, if you want reliable motoring that's straightforward, you're going to have a warranty on the car, you're going to get it serviced, you know where the car's been, we know where the car's been, and you're going to push something in that we're going to give you £2,000 minimum part exchange on, and you're going to drive this out for 50 quid a week. Brian's my name, 086 843 1945. Sorry about the cheesy used car salesman pitch, but that's kind of what this is. That's what this car is all about. Cheap, reliable, frugal motoring. Thanks for taking time to watch.